Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix graphics card if it's not detected in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, if the card isn't appearing at all, okay, it might have a poor physical connection. Okay, most importantly, if you're using a desktop computer, or in other words, a PC. Now, you're gonna want to turn off your PC first, okay, before you dismantle your case. So open up the PC case and ensure the graphics card is pushed firmly into the PCIe slot and the retention clip is locked. Alright? And then once that's done, reboot your computer and check if it helps. Now if that still won't work, these remaining steps right here are for both laptop and desktop. So go ahead and go to Start menu, right click on it and click on Device Manager. Wait a bit. Now in here, go and find display adapters. And then in here, you'll be able to see, or you should be able to see your graphics card. Okay, let's say you have RTX 2060, whatever, AMD, something like that. You should be able to find it right here. Now, if it's not showing in the Device Manager, go ahead over to View right here at the very top. Now go ahead and click on Show Hidden Devices. Okay, you should now be able to see it right here. If that still won't work, go ahead over to Action, and then go ahead and click on Scan for Hardware Changes. Okay? So just click on it, wait a bit, and you should be able to see it. Now, if you can spot it, just right-click on it, and then just click on Update Driver. Click on it and click on Browse my computer for drivers, or try Search automatically for drivers right here. Okay? If it says the best driver for your device are already installed, just go back, click on Browse, let me pick, and then select the specific signature. Say, for example, again, you have the AMD graphics card, select AMD right here, click on Next. Or if you have the NVIDIA graphics card, just select NVIDIA and click on Next. Okay? Now, if that still won't work, you would need to download the specific graphics card drivers and its app. So, let's say, for example, you have the NVIDIA graphics card. Well, you're going to need to download the NVIDIA app. All right, hit on Enter. Now go ahead and click on Download NVIDIA app for gamers and creators right here. And just click on Download Now. Save on your desktop, save, and just follow simple prompts, okay? For AMD, I think you have the AMD Adrenaline. Oh yes, this one, click on it, download the software, install it for your Windows, and just do the same thing, save it wherever you want, follow simple prompts. And after that, once the installation is done, go ahead and don't forget to restart your computer, okay? Restart, and once done, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix a graphics card if it's not detected in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.